Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be looking at how to use the BetterLights mod in Blockbuster. This video was created in cooperation with AREON Pictures. Check out the German tutorial on their channel. First of all, you need the current Blockbuster mods and the current BetterLights mods, which you can get for a fee on the Patreon channel of YANIS and Optifine. Once everything is installed, you open Minecraft, navigate to the controls, and assign a free button for Open GUI Config. Press the button you just selected and click on Packs, where you can download the shaders that are compatible with the mod. The shaders are specially edited, and more are sure to follow in the future. Once you have pressed Yes, it will take a short moment, and then you can select the shader in the Shaders tab. Wonderful! Now place a model block, select the new BetterLights Morph, and click on Edit. On the right-hand side, you can continue to display your light with Enable Always, even if Enable BetterLights Morph is deactivated in the Blockbuster config. To animate your lights, you must activate Animates. Set the duration and select an interpolation. The Enable button toggles the light on and off. Below this, you can change the direction of the light. However, this still works in the Morph settings. You can also adjust the light color, light intensity, and light distance. In addition, you can adjust the inner and outer angle, which changes the softness of the edges and the radius of the light cone. In the shadow category, you can switch the shadow on or off. Below, you will find the Shadow Virtual Camera FOV Offset slider, or as we call it, Shadow Softness. This allows you to adjust the softness of the shadow. Great! With the second slider, you set the shadow distance, and with the strangely named button, you can turn off the updating of the shadow. Flares on, off. Awesome! With the slider below, you can enlarge the flares as you wish. Make it brighter, or change the beams of your flare. Last but not least, we move on to the Volumetric Fog Category, where you can turn it on or off as usual. You can increase or reduce the fog quality with the Samples slider and adjust the fog dispersion and density with the respective sliders. Use the bottom slider to set the anisotropy. In principle, it changes the refraction of the volume. At the end, we will share some more information with you. BetterLights also works without shaders, however, without the volumetric fog effect. From now on, every morph has an additional button under the morph settings that switches the shadow of the respective morph on or off. If you choose a light color, it will also be displayed in the selection menu. If your BetterLights morph doesn't display something correctly, just rejoin the world. And that's it. We're done. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster and BetterLights mod. See you next time.